People, welcome back to the screen of my phone. So in this video today, we'll be talking about a website that can pay you at least 10,000 naira. Hey, with the economy of Nigeria, everybody needs money. With what is happening here in Nigeria, we all need money. 10,000 naira with at least four websites. With at least four websites. You understand? Now, if you have not subscribed to my channel and you love content about making money, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button. If you have not liked this video, please like the video so that people like you and I that are looking for how to make money will see this video. So guys, in this video today, we'll be talking about four major websites that can make you 10,000 naira without any investment. You heard me right. You heard me right. You heard me right. These four websites will pay you without any investment. And you are good to go. You don't even need a skill. You are good to go as long as you have a working Android phone or a laptop or a system or a tab, something that is working with an internet. You are good to go. So name of the first website is called Hawkit. You guys know that I've really talked about Hawkit on this platform, and I've said a whole lot about Hawkit. I have a video in the description box that talks about how to sign up on Hawkit, which I will not be going much into that details. You understand? If you are referring, you can make as high as 10,000 naira in a day. You understand? Sign up on Hawkit using my link. You can make as high as 10,000 naira in a day on Hawkit. The next website here is Writersgig. Hey, I know a lot of people on this platform that are cashed out with Writersgig. Onugo, come and pay tithes now. Come and pay tithes. Well, you guys know I've also talked about Writersgig, but because some people haven't seen the video and they're asking me here and there. Now, if you have a writing skill, just go on Writersgig, sign up, take their assessment test. I have made a video about how to take their assessment test. That video is well detailed. Take their assessment test. You understand? So look through my videos, you see it, or you check the description box. The video will be there. This one here is Freebyzy. So Freebyzy is a platform that offers you tasks. Even if you don't have any skill, do not worry. Freebyzy will offer you tasks such as liking a page on YouTube, subscribing to a channel on YouTube, liking a page on Facebook, all those kind of little tasks, and then you make money. You understand? They pay as high as 200 naira, 100 naira, 50 naira per task. They even have a WhatsApp tax. So if you have a WhatsApp on your phone that is just playing around, playing about, you can sign up on Freebyzy and start using your WhatsApp to make money. Now, one of my favorites, the last one is one of my favorites, which is Owodeli. Some people still chat me up and ask me, is Owodeli, is he paying? Is Owodeli still working? Because I've talked about this Owodeli over and over and over again. Is Owodeli still working? Is Owodeli still accepting workers? Yes, Owodeli is working. Now, all these platforms, they have their own rules and regulations, you understand? And they have their own instructions. You get, like Freebyzy now, you have to pay a sum of 500 naira to sign up. Give 500 naira or 1,000 to sign up, and it is a lifetime offer. You keep enjoying. Once you sign up, you keep enjoying offers till thy kingdom come forever. That's what I mean. Now, as for Hawkit, you have to pay 1,000 naira. I am not the creator of this website or this platform. Some people will meet me and tell me that you didn't tell us that we are going to pay 1,000 naira. Well, I'm saying it now. Send me the 1,000 naira, let me pay. In this economy of Nigeria. Anyway, guys, I'm going to be having a giveaway soon, so please stay tuned. And if you want to partake in the giveaway, join our Telegram channel. Join our Telegram channel. So, on a more serious note, you guys know that I love jokes because I believe that even if you're trying to make money, you don't have to be too serious about life. You get. Now, for Odeli has increased its membership fee to 5,000 naira. Yes. Now, one of the I love telling people is if you can turn this platform to a money making machine, you will make thousands of naira. You understand? You can start an Instagram growth page, or start a Facebook growth page, or start a YouTube growth page. Now, you charge people a certain amount of money and they pay you. You go to Owo Daily, look for workers, pay them to sign up. Let's say now there are workers on Owo Daily that charge maybe like 15 naira to sign up on what is it called? On YouTube. You understand? 15 naira to sign up on YouTube. You get. You can just charge maybe like 25,000 or 30,000 for 1,000 subscribers. Now I've seen someone that charged 45,000 naira for 1,000 subscribers. 45,000 naira. YouTube 45,000 naira for 1,000 subscribers. The cash, 45,000 naira cash for 1,000 subscribers. You can charge your own, like maybe let's say like 30,000 naira for 1,000 subscribers, or 25,000 naira for 1,000 subscribers. You understand? Once they pay you, you go to Owo Daily, sign up, look, paste your job. You understand? Maybe 15 naira per one person, and then you ask them to sign up, maybe 1,000 of them. You understand? You pay away daily 15,000 naira for 1,000 workers, and you keep the rest change. If you charge 30,000 naira, you are to keep 15,000 naira. So all these websites, you can use it to do a page growth for anybody. You can market yourself for page growth, anything you want it. You just name it. So if you have not liked this video, what are you waiting for? Please hit the like button to help us grow. And please, if you need to do more research, you can do more. Feel free to do more research. You understand? It is a free world. Feel free to do more research on anything you hear. So I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you.